Hi everyone, let's make this fun friendship bracelet inspired garland. I like how friendship bracelets are so colorful and you could add any words you'd like on them. I used ball pit balls for the beads. They come in many different shapes and colors. Then I got round white floral craft foam for the back of the letters. I used peel and stick vinyl for the letters. I stuck my vinyl letters onto my foam discs and spelled out different words and phrases. Next, I used a large needle and some fishing wire and strung the beads together. This is a 10-inch upholstery needle. Next, string your letters through. And here's our large friendship bracelet love garland. And here's the birthday version one. You can use these as banners for any of your parties. You can change up the coloring of the beads or the pit balls for different occasions. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more fun ideas. Bye!